Well, welcome back to Alt5 Sigma's channel, the next generation blockchain platform. And joining to discuss the pivotal growth this company has been experiencing, President and Chief Revenue Officer, as always, Vay Tham. Welcome back.
Hi, Kyle. Glad to be back.
Always a pleasure to get you back on. So first and foremost, I want to mention the recent headline. Alt5, basically reported 104% year-over-year increase in transaction volume to over 1.25 billion for the first 8 months of 2024, really showing the strength of the rails that you're setting up here. Do you want to just give some insight on that?
Yeah, it's typically kind of like the capital markets. The summertime is usually a pretty quiet time, but we have been busy and we've been bucking the summertime cottage trend, if you will. Just to give you some perspective, these are the volumes for June, 124 million US, July, 179 million US, and then August was 192. So sequentially on a monthly basis, we're still just ramping. Keep in mind, Q4 is always our biggest quarter. I thought 192 for August was the biggest month, but turns out last year December was over 200. So we're looking for big things happening in the Q4.
Yeah, definitely appreciate the insight. And you guys were kind of out and about. You also visited or exhibited at the IFX in Bangkok. Do you want to talk about kind of going to some of these conferences, what it's kind of doing for you guys, kind of the general vibe of it all?
Absolutely. So this was part of our new sales and marketing initiative, right? So we're hitting 16 trade shows in the next 12 months. This is something the company hasn't done before. So we're pounding the pavement globally, and we'll be in Barcelona, Malta, South Africa, Bangkok, Las Vegas, Atlantic City, a whole bunch of other trade shows. These are trade shows, and they're not conferences really. Trade shows are there to do business, and that's what we're there for. I had the pleasure of attending with three other colleagues at the Bangkok IFX show. This is a foreign exchange conference, and recall we service like a third of our volume business comes from the FX. So this is an important segment for us. Um, the response was overwhelming. 24/7 people just coming to our booth asking about a solution. Um, Over 100 qualified leads coming out of that show. So really excited. And we were a very unique solution in the neutral floor. I would say coming out of that, will share with you, Kyle, that we are looking to hire two additional people in the back office to help with onboarding customers, merchants. So currently only have one person. So I think that should hint to the market that we're expecting very large inflows of new customers, new people to get onto our system. So we just want to have the infrastructure prepared for that.
No, 100%. And on that note, I'll pass it off to the viewers. As always, we'd love to know what you think in that comment section, and consider subscribing for news and catalysts like this when it comes down the wire. Of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on that note, as always, we look forward to catching you in the next one.